Hey, welcome to another video tutorial. In this video, I have this AC voltage pen, which I will show how this is used to test for live wires and test electricity. We're gonna start by unscrewing the battery compartment. We're gonna install two AAA batteries. Most of these testers take AAA batteries. We're gonna insert them with the positive side first. Now we're gonna close the battery compartment. Okay, right here we have like a little screen. This is gonna light up when we turn on the tester. This is to power on the tester. It brings a flashlight, and this is your sensitivity button. We're gonna start by turning on the tester. We click the power button, and we're gonna check the flashlight. And this is the sensitivity button. This button, we use it when we don't want to touch any wires, when we want to see if there is electricity. We can even put this tester from far away and it will detect any live wires that we're testing or any electricity in your house. So if I turn this on, the sensitivity is going to increase and it's going to pick up any nearby live wires. Now we're going to check how we test for live wires. Most people use these pens in sensitivity mode because they don't want to touch wires. They just want to find the power from far away. And when I use this, I use it on sensitivity mode. So we're now going to find out how we check live wires and how we check electricity. This right here, I'm going to check this plug to see if it has power or not. So we're going to leave the tester on no sensitivity. We're gonna test the probe to see if they have wire. Now we're gonna insert the pen into the connector. As you can see, it detects power. This is the side, the negative side of the plug. This is the positive. Now we're gonna put it on sensitivity mode and it's gonna pick up the electricity from far away. We're gonna turn it on. Now it's on, and we're gonna get it closer to the outlet and it will detect power. As you can see, it detects that from far away. We don't even have to put it inside. It will detect automatically there is power. let's say you're working on a fuse panel and you want to check if it has power. What we'll do is we're gonna put it in sensitive mode so we can detect the wires without us touching it. So we're gonna turn on and we're gonna get close to the wires to see if they have power. Now let's find out. So you can see they have power. You don't even have to touch the wires and you know they have power. You can even test wires. You can even check outlets, whatever you want to check, and if you want to find out if they have electricity, you can do so too. If you want to find short circuit, it will help you too. So let's see if this extension is receiving power. We're going to insert the tester inside the probe, and it does have power. Now we're going to check for power along the cable, and if you see that the power breaks at some point, that means there is a short circuit. And for this mode, we're going to use it on sensitive mode. So we just run the probe, the tester, along the wire. We're going to turn it on. Now we're going to test the wire. If you see that the power breaks and it doesn't longer beeps, that means there is a short circuit on that wire. As you can see, this whole wire has power from beginning to the end. Here you got high power. That's more voltage. When you see that the light turns red, that means it's a low high voltage. Now it started decreasing here. As you can see, this tool is very helpful if you want to do projects, if you want to do electrical work, if you want to avoid the risk of being shocked, you don't want to touch any wires. I will recommend this tool. Very handy, very useful. I always use it every time I'm going to do electrical projects or electrical repairs. This is a must. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because that way that motivates me to keep doing more content. And as I say, be safe, take care, and I'll see you on the next video.